A very good afternoon. It is still Monday, October the 11th, 2021. Today we will do our mathematics and we will review Unit 1, all about place value and comparing numbers.
Good afternoon, everyone. I hope you're still having a happy Monday. It is still Monday, October the 11th, 2021. And as I told you this morning, this whole week we will review our previous topics that we learned in order to prepare for the exam. We will also start every lesson with vocabulary from your vocabulary book. So this morning we did the first 5 words and we made 3 sentences. Today, this afternoon, we will do 5 more words and 3 more sentences. So get your vocabulary book, go to week 1 and then the second set of words. Okay, week 1 and the second set of words, you can see them. So we did the first 5 this morning, like act and air, airplane. Now the second set. Start with number 1. B-A-T-H-R-O-O-M. Bathroom. Bathroom. Copy the word bathroom where it says right. Don't have to explain what a bathroom is, right? You know it. It's the room that has the bath in it. And if it doesn't have a bath in it, it will have a shower in it and a toilet. So the room in the house where the toilet and the shower is of course the bathroom. Next one, number 2, B-E-D-R-O-O-M. Bedroom. Bedroom. Copy the word bedroom, or if not, you can pause the video later and copy the word. Bedroom is of course the room where the bed is, right? Very hard. Okay, so bedroom, where you sleep. Then number 3, B-E-E-F. Beef. Beef. My favorite meat is beef. Beef is meat from a cow or a bull. I love it. Maybe you don't like to eat beef, but I love to eat beef. It's a bit expensive, so don't eat it too much, but very nice. So beef, meat from the cow. Number 4, B-I-C-Y-C-L-E, bicycle. Bicycle. Okay, in my country, in Holland, everybody has a bicycle. People ride their bike to work or to the supermarket. Also, the roads, every road in my country has a bicycle lane. So it's safe to ride a bike. Here in Thailand, I see people ride bikes, but it's not really safe. No? And then the last one, B-L-A-C-K-B-O-A-R-D. Blackboard. Blackboard. Okay, this is a whiteboard because it's color white, and we write on it with a whiteboard marker. A blackboard is color black and you write on it with chalk, right? So that's the blackboard. Okay, so you need to remember the spelling of these words. Bathroom, bedroom, beef, bicycle, and blackboard. Okay, let's make 3 sentences. Okay. 3 sentences. We will use 3 words from the vocabulary, and this time we will make questions instead of just a normal sentence. So we use bathroom, bedroom, and bicycle. So let's start with bathroom. The question. When you are in school, you always ask the question, teacher, right, may I go to the bathroom please? So that's our first sentence. May I go to the bathroom, please? Does it fit? Yes, a little bit small. May I go to the bathroom, please? Remember, you never ask, can I go to the bathroom? That's not the right question. May I go to the bathroom? I know you can. You're already 8 or 9 years old. You can go to the bathroom. I know you know how to do it. But the question is, may I go to the bathroom, please? Okay? May I go to... Oei, almost forgot. Put a comma, nah? So if please is at the end of the sentence, there's a comma after the last word before please. So remember that. May I go to the bathroom, please? Okay, number 2, bedroom. Make a question with the word bedroom. For example, do you have a big bedroom? Okay, let's write that one. Do you have a big bedroom? Do you have a big bedroom? Then number 3, bicycle. Remember, you can always stop the video and copy the words and then continue. Yeah? I cannot wait because my recording will be too long. Bicycle. Okay, let's use also the word color. Okay, what color is your bicycle? What color is your bicycle? I don't have a bicycle. Good. One more time. Number 1, may I go to the bathroom, please? Number 2, do you have a big bedroom? Number 3, what color is your bicycle? Okay, you can stop the video and copy the sentences in your vocabulary book. If you've done that, you can play the video again. Okay, so we will review our math and we start in Unit 1. So Unit 1, page number 1, or page number 2 I believe. Okay, yeah, page number 2. So your math book and then page number 2, this one. So the first part of your exam, you need to add numbers, or not add numbers, but you look at the value of the numbers as we did in the beginning of the year, and then you write and read numbers and then you add them all together. So an example on the board: 100,000 here, 10,000 here, 1,000 here, and 100 there. Now the question is, what is the total sum of all these numbers? So what we do, we count them and write them down. So the first one, 100,000, 1 time, 2 times, 3 times. So we know 300,000, so we can write down the 3. Then we go one step closer to the lowest number. 10,000, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times 10,000. Okay, so we write a 4. Then we look at the 1,000. How many times? 1, 2. So it's 342,000. Then we look at the hundreds. How many hundreds? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the total sum of these is 342,600. Okay, so in your exam you see all these numbers, some of these, you just count them all, add them up, and then write the value. Okay, let's do another example with tens and ones involved as well. So for example, write a few numbers quickly. Okay. Okay. Now another example. What is the total sum of these numbers? We just add them up. The highest number is in the thousands. 1,000. 1, 2, 3 times. So you write the number 3. The next one is the hundreds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 3,700. The next one, the tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 tens, so that's a 5. And then the ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the value of all these numbers is, the total value, 3,759. Okay, so look in your book, page number 2, 3 and 4. Here are some more of these examples. Make sure that you know these for your exam. Okay, so let's look at another thing that we have to review today. Okay, the second thing I want to review today, place value. In your exam there will be a couple of numbers, something like this, and then there will be a question about the value of the numbers. So for example, this number is 39,280. The question might be, what is the value? The question might be, what is the value of the 9? So, what is the value of the 9? So, the value of the 0 is 0. The value of the 8 is it 8? No, because 8 is in the tens place, so it is not 8, but 80, 10 times. The value of the 2, where is the 2? The 2 is in the hundreds place, so the value of the 2 is 200. The 9 is in the thousands place, so the value of the 9 is 9,000. So that's the correct answer, 9,000. And the value of the 3, 30,000, right? So the values of the numbers in what place they are. So the value of the 3, 30,000. The value of the 9, 9,000. The value of the 2, 200. The value of the 8 is 80. And the value of the 0 is 0. Okay, let's look at one more example. Okay, I just wrote another number on the board. 43,258. So let's just see what is the value of the numbers. We start with the 8. In what place is the 8? The 8 is in the ones place, right? So the value of the 8 is 8. So value of the 8 is 8. Then we go to the 5. The 5 is in the tens place. So it's not 5, but 10 times 5 is 50. So the value of the 5 is 50 because it's in the 50 place. Then the 2. The 2 is in the hundreds place, right? So the 2 is worth 200. Then we go to the 3. The 3 is in the ones, tens, hundreds, thousands place, right? So the 3 is worth 3,000. 2, 3. And then finally the 4 is in the 10,000s place. So the 4 is worth 4 times 10,000 is 40,000. So the 4 is in the 40,000 in the 10,000th place. Okay, so this is how place value works, but you should know this, so this won't be too hard. So remember this, just look where the number is, and then if it's in the 10,000th place and it says 4, it's 40,000, right? Good. Let's look at one more, greater and smaller. Okay, also in your exam there will be a couple of numbers like this, comparing numbers. And basically just what is the greatest number and what is the smaller number. Okay, so greater means more, smaller means less. So look at this number, 12,345. And this number, 11,234. Now, the question would be, what is the greater number? So which number is more? 11,234 or 12,345? Right, because 12 is more than 11, right? Okay, so 12,000 is the greater number and 11,000 is the smaller number. Okay, so that's all you need to remember when it comes to comparing numbers. What is the greater number and what is the smaller number? Okay, so summarize for today. Study page 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay, so that is only part of the exam. Tomorrow in our Zoom class we will also review some part of the exam, and then later in the week we will review other topics from the exam. Okay, so for now it's enough. I will see you again tomorrow morning, and then we will continue reviewing our English exam. Okay, so see you tomorrow morning.